Hi guys. Today I'm gonna be playing this with me in it. I changed my person. Yeah. This is like my last time making a video. So let's see my dragon. This is my favorite one. I'll show you it. Out. Why isn't it coming? Oh, here's Sunny. I'm right, Sunny. She's invisible. Now she's not. Here Sunny is. Now I'm off to find the egg. I have lots of duplicates in this game. Let me show you how many dragons I have. I died. You know this place, I'll show you it. So this is my house. I'll show you my house. I beat it has no furniture. Oh, there's furniture. Do you want me to build furniture? Yes, I do. Okay, and I will want to build this. This is like a gift. There. I am done this one. And now I'll show you the volcano place. Yep. I know lots of people don't think I'm a YouTuber. Today I go to Mape City and said to everyone I am a YouTuber, and one person said, no you aren't. Or they said, no you're not. I don't know. Okay, I'll just show you the volcano place. I have this dragon. It's my boss dragon. Yep, it's my boss dragon. And its name is Lucy. Make me find the egg. I am wanted to find a blue egg. Today I got a blue egg and I just got a duplicate. I'll show you it. I got this one. Yeah, I got this one. Even I already had it. Good, I found the egg. I am level 5 and Sunny's level 2. So, I'm not into this video, no. You know, all my friends, one of them moved into a different country. Yep. And now let's get moving on to this video. You know my little sister, Annabelle. She's my only little sister. You know my mum too. She does YouTube videos on my channel that I do not know she's doing. I think I'm almost done this game. After this game, we'll be playing Bloxburg. Once this egg hatches, we'll be moving on to the next game. You want to go in here, okay? And then we'll play Roblox High School. I also like Roblox School for it. You know, I go to Rosetown School. You know that. And let's have a party right here with money. Money. We need money. Everyone does.
It might seem crazy what I'm about to say. Sunshine, she's here.
Everyone needs to dance. Dance, 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 dance.
I am a balloon that could go to space.
this is it. Yeah. Everyone, I keep saying to my person because I keep wanting it. I keep like taking it on this so I can do it prettier. Oh my gosh, it's the song super song now. What? What's going on?
I got this feeling inside my bones.
Where's all the stone
It goes
super?
electric wavy when I turn it on. Off from my city, off from my home. We're flying up no ceiling when we in our zone.
Hey, let's just step this on and make me like.
Got that good soul in my feet. I feel that hot blood in my body when it drops.
Yay! Let's play! With my
Our love
person.
story could be kinda gory, far from boring. We need adipose
Sweet.
lips. Yeah, I'd be slowly
You meant to go to the toilet.
you'd be